was late last night. I was feeling something wasn't right. There was not another soul inside. Only you, only you. So we walked along, though I knew that there was something wrong, and the feeling hit me oh so strong about you. Though you gazed up at me, and the answer was plain to see, as you saw the light in your eyes, in your eyes. Well, hi there, pluckers. I was all fingers back with you again with hopefully what will be another interesting golden oldie lesson for you. This is a song called I Saw the Light from a gentleman called Todd Rundgren, and this came from about 1972, I believe. Okay, so nice open chords mainly. Okay, shouldn't cause you too much problem that way. I'm in standard tuning, no capos, doing it in the same key as the original recording, key of C. Okay, so then let's get to it. Shouldn't take too long to go through this one. Okay, so starting off with this little riff, very simple riff. It's second on the fourth, first on the fourth, open fourth, and then you form a D minor 7. Okay, so you play that little riff, second on the fourth, first on the fourth, open fourth, strum a D minor 7. Okay, so that's barring the first two strings on the first fret, the first finger, and then the second finger plays the second fret of the third string, the G string. You've got an open fourth and an open fifth. Don't play the bottom E string at all. Okay, 5 downwards, or 4 downwards in this case, because you're going, and then play the open fourth, strum the chord. Okay. Okay, got the idea? Bit of a pause, and then you play the open fifth, the A string. Then you go to a G chord. I play my G like this. You could play it like that. Okay, whichever you do. But which one you do, so you play open A string, and then form a G chord, play the root note, the third on the 6th string, strum the chord. Okay? And it just repeats, okay? So it does that twice, and then you just keep doing that and the singing comes in. Okay, so right from the beginning we'll do 2 lots of intro and then we'll go into verse 1. Okay, do it slowly. Here we go. It was late last night. I was feeling something wasn't right. There was not another soul inside. Only C major 7. So it's basically a C, standard C chord, but leave the first finger off. Second string, B string, open. 5 downwards again. Okay, so that's where it goes. Not another soul inside. Only you is an E minor 7. Okay, so it's basically an E minor chord, but add your pinky to the 3rd fret of the B string, the 2nd string. Okay, all 6 strings. Okay, and that's your first verse and intro. So once again, we'll just run through that again. Okay, slowly from the beginning. 2 lots of intro, verse 1. Okay, here we go. Slowly. It was late last night. I was feeling something wasn't right. There was not another soul inside. Only you, we start all over again with verse 2. So we walked through the wrong, though I knew that there was something wrong, and the feeling hit me oh so strong about you. This time we go to a C7. So first time round, first verse we do C major 7th to E minor 7th, and then go into verse 2. When you come out of verse 2 on the last line where it goes, and the feeling hit goes so strong about C major 7th, you, oh yeah, C7, you. Standard C7 chord, that's a basic C chord with your pinky added to the 3rd fret of the G string, the 3rd string. 5 downwards again, you, then you gaze, F major 7, first bit of the chorus, okay? So you, oh you, then you gazed, this is F major 7. Simple one of that is just like an F chord, basic simple F chord, lift up the bar, so the top E string is open. 4 or 5 downwards is fine, don't play the bottom E string. 4 downwards or 5 downwards, yeah. What I tend to do is to move this 3rd finger up to the 3rd fret of the A string, the 5th string, and your pinky takes over on the 3rd fret of the 4th string, the D string. Then you 5 downwards again, don't play the bottom E string, okay. That gives it a little bit more depth, I think. So this is like F major 7 with C in the bass, I suppose. Okay. So when you come out last line of verse 2, where it goes on, and the feeling hit me oh so strong about you, C7, yeah. Then you F major 7, whichever version you're doing, gaze up that E minor 7th again. E minor with the pinky on the 3rd fret of the 2nd string, and the answer, I play an A minor 7, you could just play an A minor, it's up to you, whichever you like the sound of best, either an A minor or leave off the 3rd finger from the A minor, open up the 3rd string, the G string open, 5 downwards, A minor 7. Personal preference, okay? So it goes, and you gazed up at me, A minor or A minor 7th, and the answer's playing to D7, standard D7 chord, 2nd on the 3rd, 2nd on the top E string, and 1st on the 2nd string, 5 downwards again, and then you do the riff again, it starts just like the verse, cause I, D minor 7, saw the G laid in your C major 7th, I, D minor 7th, is C major 7th, and your D minor 7th. And then basically the whole thing starts all over again with verse 3, verse 4, exactly the same as verse 1 and 2 with different words. And then you do another chorus. Then there's a guitar solo which is basically a verse. So it's like verse 2. The guitar solo is like verse 2, so you end up on the C major 7th to C7th. Okay. Then you go into verse 5 and the last chorus. Right then, boys and girls, just to finish off then, we'll go through my playthrough that I did. We'll just do that again. So that's intro, verse 1, verse 2 and the chorus, and then you've got everything you need to play the song. Okay, just mix and match more verses and choruses. So here we go, right from the beginning, slowly. I'm not going to do it as quick as the record. Okay, so here we go. It was late last night, I was feeling something was away. there was not another soul inside. Only you, only you. So we walked along, though I knew that there was something wrong, and the feeling hit me oh so strong. But as then you gazed up at me, and the answer was plain to see, 'cause I saw the light in your eyes, in your eyes, in your eyes. Well, there you go, everybody, guys. Hope you made some sense out of that and enjoyed that, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.